Welcome to Foxy Adventures. What? I got my messenger.
Oh no. See how big everyone is? Oh no!
We're making a picture for Nana and Granddad and flowers and Megan and for Grandma and Granddad and
Oh, you're making me dizzy.
and
You're making me dizzy. Oh no!
and
Right, come on then. Let's see what we got then.
I'm holding my brain.
Let's see what we got. So we've got some card, different coloured card, haven't we? Let's go over here and show everyone what we've got. So we've got some different coloured card. We've got some yellow. We've got some like turquoise, some blue, some pink, and some more turquoise. Right, Scarlett, oh, we've got loads of colours as well. Can you tell everyone the colours, what we've got? Scarlett, should we tell everyone the colours we've got?
Yeah.
Right, so what's this one?
Red, orange, pink, blue.
Brown.
Oh.
This one?
Green,
Green.
brown,
Dark blue.
dark blue,
Grey.
grey, purple, yellow,
And last, black. You're just too busy colouring in your craft book, aren't you? Right, so we've got a little craft box here as well, which has got loads of little things we can put to decorate the cards with. We can use these for like a Christmas tree maybe, or people. Got some sticks, some stick men. Oh, we've got loads of little beads, like little butterflies. Oh no! And love hearts on. Oh, we've got loads of little small pieces of card as well. We'll use the big ones though, more fun. Oh no! Haha, got ya! Got ya! Oh, I love these. We made a forky out of these, didn't we? I don't know where. Hey! She got me. Right. Hey! Stop it!
I'm gonna get your flag.
No! She got you guys. Sorry about that. Right, come on then. What colour of piece of paper, piece of card do you want for Nana and Grandad? Should we do theirs first?
No, let's do this first.
Oh, we're painting this. Can I do one for Scarlett then? Yeah?
Yeah,
Alright, okay.
and I do this.
Right, so we did Scarlett a card first.
No.
Should we show everyone the card? What we've done for them? It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's do Nana and Grandad's now. You ready? Hey guys, so we've just finished Megan's, which Scarlett wanted to show everybody. A Christmas tree and a zebra. Scarlett's favourite animal at the minute. And a myth for Megan. We're currently doing Alice's now, aren't we? What's that?
A shoe.
A shoe, because Alice likes her shoes, doesn't she? so we've just finished Grandma and Grandad's. That's that one done. Nice collection there now. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? She's not sleeping, she's fibbing. Oh no. Looks like I'm going to have to finish these cards off. Right, whose card you doing now? Nana and Grandad's? Whose card are you doing? Grace's? Oh, lovely. Right. Right, so we're done now, aren't we, Scarlett?
Yeah.
Enjoy doing all the Christmas cards. Look at all this mess. We're going to have to tidy it up before Mummy gets home from work. Right, so we've done...
We have to hide these!
We've got to hide them? Oh, you're going to give them out tomorrow when you see Grandma and Grandad? And then you go and see Nana and Grandad on Saturday? You can give them their car, can't you?
Yeah, and you're going to go to City.
I'm going to City, aren't I?
Yeah.
Right, so we'll hand the cards out, and I hope everyone enjoyed watching us do the cards. Bye. Thanks for watching.